Hi, my name is Zenith and welcome to my masking / roto brush tutorial. If you want to skip to the roto brush tutorial, please go to the time that is shown on the screen. So let's begin. So you're going to want to use the pen tool. When you can press G or you can click the pen tool right here. Once you have your image on here or whatever, you're basically just going to want to outline the character. So you can press and hold H to move around to see a little easier, and you can scroll in with your mouse wheel to zoom in and stuff. And with the pen tool, you basically just want to cut out the character or whatever you want to mask. And if you want to be super accurate, you can also curve your lines. So if you hold and then drag once you click, then you can make excellent curves just to be more accurate. And because this is a tutorial, I'm going to speed this up and not care about accuracy. Alright, so once you have the mask out, then it will remove the background, so now we just have our character, Eren from Attack on Titan. So now you can do awesome things, like you can put a fire overlay under it. So once I start, it'll just show this picture with the fire behind it. You can also do other cool things. If I put this pink among this character, you can have it like drag out from behind. So next we're gonna move on to the roto brush. Alright, to do the roto brush, you need to double click the layer, so it'll look like this. And then over here at the top left, you will see this roto brush tool. It's like a person with a paint tool icon. And you're basically just want to paint over your subject. So like that. You're just gonna want to get everything that you want within the picture. And then you can press Control to remove anything if you make a mistake. So depending on how accurate you want to be, you can work on that. So once you're done with this layer and you're done masking it out or roto brushing it, you can go back to your composition and boom, you're done. You got exactly what you need. You can do the same thing. This is also really cool with text. You can press Control T on your keyboard and write something. Make it any color. I can make it bigger too, like that. Put it behind. Okay, so once you have your background removed, you can play around with the feathering and stuff. So over here, if you see, I move it up and down, some of his hair is coming back or like becoming more blurry-ish. You can change the contrast, the shift edge. So yeah, you can play around with those settings. And if you want to go back, you can do the same thing I did before, where you put stuff behind Eren, so be Among Us or the fire. So there you go, that's my tutorial on how to use roto brush or masking tool. You can use these for your AMVs or edits or anything, VTubing videos and stuff, like anything you want. So please let me know if you enjoyed the video, comment down below what kind of tutorials I should do in the future, and please like and subscribe to help me out. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!